Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Once again, I am Asif, present before you to solve couple of questions of exercise 3rd B. This is class 7, chapter number 3rd, decimals. So friends, and as you know friends, we have already discussed about the decimal just a couple of days ago. So in this video lecture, this is only a revision purpose, so that we have to only revise. Okay, so this is why we have to present. This is why I have already present here before you. Now see friends, first we have taken the question number 8. From 1 to 8, these are the similar question, similar type of question. This is why we have taken as 8 number question. If once this if you understand this question, then there is no problem at all. If you have already solved, there is no problem. Even watch this video lecture. Okay, now see friends, while adding the decimals, first we have to manage all the decimal numbers as vertical way, and here's the points. Decimal should be the straight line, or decimal should be the straight line like this should be the straight line, and these are the integral part, and this is the fractional part. So fractional part means the decimal parts is the along the decimal parts, and the fractional part should be the fractional part. Fractional part should be fractional part is along the fractional part. As have a look friends, for the first we are going to write the first 9.09. So this is the integral part, and these are the fractional part. So integral part should be the straight, all integral parts should be the straight, integral part is integral part. And this is only ones. If you read, this is tenths and this is hundredths. So hundredths is along the hundredths, tenth is along the tenth. We have to arrange the hundredths along the hundredth, and tenths along the tenths, and hundredths along the hundreds, and ones along the ones. So here now come to this. Here is the point should be, and the all decimal points should be straight friends. Remember, straight, it should be straight. So these are all the fractional parts. So this is tenths part along the tenths part. This is the hundredths part along the hundredth part. So this is the thousand part is over there. This is the thousand parts. Okay, now come here. This is the point should be straight. Here is the point. Here the 2 times of 0 is over here. 2 times 9. Here is the ones place. Here the ones place is along the ones place. Okay, and this is tens place is this just out. So here is the only one fractional part. So this is the tenth position. So here the tenth is along the tenth, or along the tenth. Okay, I hope you are getting friends. Now they come here, come to the here 9.99. Here the point should be the straight. First the place the point. Here the 9. This is the tenth. So the tenth or the tenth along the tenth, and this is the hundredth. So hundredth is along the hundred, and this is ones along the ones. Now here the point should be straight. 099. So here is the 0, here is the 9, here is the 9, and we can add here 0. There is no effect of the value of this fractional. Okay, we can add the 0. That means we can write all the decimal fractions as like fraction. Okay, now see friends, we have 9 plus 9 8, 18. 8 is here and 1 is balance. Remember, 9 plus 9 plus 9 twice 9. 9 3 is 27 plus 8 28. 8 is here. So friends, 2 is balance. Now this is 9, this is 9, and this is 9. 3 times of 9 27. 27 plus 2 29. So 9 is over here friends, and 2 is balance. So here is the point. So 2 is balance. Remember, 9 1 9 2 9. 3 times 9 27 plus 2 29. Once again 9 is here and 2 is balance, and 9 plus 2, yes, this is 11. So friends, this is your answer. I hope you will understand. Very good. Now friend, see question number 15, and the friends, here the question 15 says only subtract, and from question number 9 to 15 friends, these are 9 to 15, that means 9 to 17, the same questions. Okay, So this is why we have taken only one as question number 15. So 15 number question says subtract 2.5307 from 8. So friend, if you remember, and we will talk about such type of questions as a algebraic expression or any type of questions where the statements written is such type of expression where there is we have to subtract and there is written the from, the words and the letters, the things from, after, from, bring the first. So we will have to bring this at the first, then subtract, then write down the first term 2.5307, then subtract from. So this is the main funda, this is the concept. Okay, because in English there is just reverse of Hindi. We are going to translate means 8 से 2.5708 घटाइए, 8 से घटाइए. ट्रांसलेट हमेशा उल्टा होता है इंग्लिश में, उल्टा इंग्लिश में सीधा लिखता है, ट्रांसलेट हमेशा यहाँ से करते हैं. 8 से 0.5307 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, इसका हिंदी ये हुआ सिंपल. तो 8 से, तो 8 को पॉजिटिव लेंगे ना और माइनस का साइन देंगे और फिर इसे लिखेंगे सिंपल. दिस इज वाई, यही रीजन है कि इसको पहले लिखते हैं 8 फिर माइनस का साइन देते हैं फिर ये. ओके, now very simple. Now subtract friends. First of all, while you are going to subtract the two or the more, or subtract the decimal fractions, two decimal fractions, but this is not the decimal, this is the whole numbers. Okay, and here is the also whole number part, because the decimals are the combination of the whole numbers part and the fractional part friends. This is the decimal part, this is the whole number part, then come together means this becomes the decimal numbers. Okay, so this is whole number part, the whole number part should be whole number, all whole number parts along the whole number parts. Okay, now and you are going to make this 8, this whole number part, the fractional form with like fraction as same number of decimal places as it. So this is the number of decimal places is 4. Why? Because after decimal there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 and 4. This is why it is called the decimal with the 4 decimal places, but this is the only pure whole numbers. Now we are going to make this as the decimal places with 4 decimal, 8.4 times 0, because we are going to subtract. While you are going to subtract from one number to another and decimal, then we have to make the like fraction, we have to make the like decimals. And now decimal point should be straight, point should be straight. Here is the 2 is the here 5307. So this is 5307. Remember friends, we have to place here the same position is are sitting along the same. Here is the 0 is the 10th TENTH friends, 10th place. 5 is also 10th, 10 nahi 10th place. This is 100th place. 100th place, or all digits are 100 along the 100th place, or digits along the digits which are already the thousandths position, thousandths. So all thousandths digits are the along. Okay, now we have to subtract the sign. This is 9, so this becomes 10 friends. Remember 10, 9, 9 and 9, and this becomes 7. Now subtract 10 minus, this is 3, this is 9, this is 6, this is 4, and this is 7 minus 2, this is 5. So this is your answer friend. I hope you will understand. So question number 7 says take out 5.746 from 9.1. take out means मतलब subtract करना friends. take out के मतलब क्या होता है? subtract करना. take out मतलब निकालना, subtract करना. where there is take out means we have to subtract. Okay, now see, now friends see question number 18 says what is to be added to 63.58 to get 92. Very simple question. Let us suppose what is to be added, what number should be, let the required number is added as to required number is equal to x. That means x is added according to the question friends. What is to be added? What? And we have considered as the what is x. So x is to be added, and x is added to 63.58 gives us 92. Gets me 92. Subtract x as it is. Here the 92. Bring this in the right hand side with the negative sign. 63.58. Now friends, solve. This is very simple and solve and we'll get the answer. And you know friends how to subtract, very easy. Or either friends we can directly solve this sums. What इसमें कितना जोड़ा जाए, हिंदी क्लास है, इसमें कितनी जोड़ा जाए तो 92 आ जाए. अगर इसी को सिंपल, इस क्वेश्चन को अगर हम बिल्कुल सिंपल बना दें, एकदम सिंपल. सपोज यहाँ पे कंसीडर 10, इस डेसिमल की जगह मैं अगर 10 लूँ सपोज, और इसकी जगह मैं 15 लूँ, तो मैं अगर इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसा बना दूँ, व्हाट इज टू बी एडेड टू 10 टू गेट 15, मतलब 10 में कितना जोड़ा जाए जो 15 आ जाए. तो ऑब्वियसली आप लोग कहेंगे 5, ऑब्वियसली 5, क्योंकि 10 प्लस 5 क्या हो रहा है 15. बट ऐसा नहीं हो रहा. अगर बड़े नंबर्स आते हैं तो एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा, 15 में से 10 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. याद रखिए, हैव अ लुक, 15 माइनस 10, दिस इज व्हाई वी गेट 5. यह कंसेप्ट आपको ध्यान रखना है. हाउ मच नंबर शुड बी एडेड टू गेट ना व्हाट, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 92, सब्ट्रैक्ट 92 फ्रॉम दिस. तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली इस क्वेश्चन को अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट ऐसे लिख दो, सब्ट्रैक्ट 92, सब्ट्रैक्ट 63.58 फ्रॉम 92. ये क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट में इस तरह लिखा जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट 63.58 फ्रॉम 92, दैट मीन्स 92 माइनस 63.58. और मेथड वही है 92 से, इसको 2 डिजिट्स यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं 00, क्योंकि ये वैल्यू को कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करता है. 5 और यहाँ 8 और यहाँ पे दिस इज 3 एंड 6. इस तरह से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे आपको आंसर आएगा. ओके, सेम चीज है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 says by how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1. यानी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि 32.67 को कितना से बढ़ा दिया जाए, कितना से इंक्रीज, यानी कितना इसमें जोड़ा जाए. सेम क्वेश्चन, कितना इसमें जोड़ें कि मुझे 60.1 मिल जाए. अगर इस क्वेश्चन को, अगर यहाँ ये दोनों टर्म्स को, ये दोनों डेसिमल्स को, इफ यू रिमूव दिस टू decimal fractions, then instead of this 10 and instead of this is 13. Suppose for understanding only, by how much should 10 be increased to get 13. अब आप लोग सब आंसर फौरन देंगे. यस 3 सर 3. तो 3 कैसे हुआ? आप सोच रहे हैं कि 10 में से 3 ऐड कर दिए, दिस इजली 13 आ गया. ठीक है, बट दी बेस्ट कंसेप्ट क्या है कि 13 माइनस 10 मैंने किया तब ना 3 आया. दिस इज द मेन कंसेप्ट. बट here is the decimal fraction and then we totally forgot, all of you forget after looking at this is the decimal. This is very typical type of numbers. No typical friends, इसलिए this is why we always say don't scare, always care. So please don't fear, always care. डरना नहीं है बल्कि क्वेश्चंस को डराना. ओके, here that means we can say यहाँ से भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 60.1 माइनस 32, यही सब्ट्रैक्ट करना आपको. ये जो आएगा आपका, ये आंसर आएगा. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं सॉल्यूशन में. 60.1, here the point is point, here the 6, here the 7, यहाँ पे 0 लगा सकते हैं. दिस इज द 2 एंड दिस इज 3. माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. दिस इज 10 माइनस 7, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 10, दिस इज 4. नाउ दिस इज 9, 7 एंड दिस इज 2. 27.43. You can check the answer. Question number 20, test paper, sorry, 33B, question number 27.4. We can, very simple questions. Only we have to create your concept. You make the concept and solve the sums. There is no problem at all. Okay. Similar questions. Question number 19 है, only decrease है, then means okay. I hope you can do very easily. Okay. Now, and these are the one question is here 22. I hope you can easily solve with the statement type of questions. Okay friends, now homework, write down your homework. Exercise 3rd B, question number 1 to 29. You have to revise, solve. You have to solve all the question once again. Okay, so this is your homework. I hope you can easily solve. If you have any doubt or questions, please ask me. Have a nice day.